Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. If you want to make a better video faster in this video, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT to write clear, engaging scripts for your YouTube, your TikTok, Reels, whatever platform you are on. Writing video scripts can be time-consuming and overwhelming, but with ChatGPT, you don't have to start from scratch. Whether you need a tutorial, review, a vlog, or explainer, ChatGPT can help you write it quickly and clearly. So what you need is just to have the topic in mind, or you can also request it to suggest to you the topics that you want to write. So give it an idea, then it will create for you the topic that you want to write on the video script. But here I already have the prompt that I want it to use. So I want us to write a video script using how to write video scripts using ChatGPT. So uh, I'll just go ahead and request it I will tell it to write for me the scripts. Then it will go ahead and create the script for me, just directly write for me. The name for me is wrongly written. That, then you hit enter. Now it will go ahead and write the script for you from the beginning. So if you want to do some editing, you just request it to change things for you. So here it's giving you the video script, how to write video script using ChatGPT. You have it even gives you an idea on how you are going to start your background music, fades in and all that. Then the narrator starts. Now you will start from this section, reading your script. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I am going to show you exactly how to write high quality video scripts using ChatGPT, whether you're creating tutorials, vlogs, reviews, or explainer videos. So if you've ever started a blank page, wondering what to say in the video, this one's for you. So you have another screen that you can use to explain and also follow along with the script that has been created by your ChatGPT. So you can go through all along. It gives you different sections. Like, for example, here it has given define your video type and goal. Then from there you have add structure, intro, body, and outro. Then you have customized tone and length. Then you have add personal touches, use ChatGPT for variations or translations. Then here it even gives you the last thing that you need to talking to camera again, something like this. So there you go. That's how you write the video script using ChatGPT. If it saves you time, helps with creativity, and makes your video flow smoother. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more smart content creation tips. Have a question? Drop it in the comments and I will help you out. That's how simply you can use your ChatGPT to write the script. So you don't need to think a lot and come up with different ideas. You can even also request it to give you different suggestions on how you're going to read your script. So to make sure that your work is well done. Remember, it's all about productivity, and the shortest time that you're going to spend on your screen, it matters a lot. So don't waste a lot of time trying to write script from scratch. You can use ChatGPT to do that. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video.